today was the day that either side had to say that they wanted a hearing on that competency or that they wanted their own evaluation on the competency. Today the defense did not request a hearing on the findings of the state hospital. The prosecution did. And so the court has set a hearing on competency for April 28th, at which time evidence will be presented. It is the burden of any party who is asserting that the defendant is incompetent. It is their burden to prove that at that hearing that he is incompetent.
Robert Deere inside the courtroom today?
Robert Deere was inside the courtroom. He was, for the most part, stayed during the hearing, although as he shuffled into the courtroom, he did make a reference to a passage in Luke, where he made a reference to Satan will fall from the heavens like lightning. And he said the Hebrew word for lightning is Barak, as in Barack Obama. So it's sort of a cryptic reference that Mr. Deere tied to the president, perhaps equating him with Satan. That was the only sort of outburst, if you'd like to call it that, from Mr. Deere. And it wasn't much of an outburst. It was words he uttered as he entered the courtroom, and after that he remained seated at the defense table for most, if not all, of the hearing, sort of chatting quietly with Dan King, his attorney, and made no other presentations or disruptions in court.